الكريم محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين. In quotientness, as we mentioned, that the one who agreed to take something from the very beginning from other heirs, and he is not going to take his due share in the property, so that is called the quotient. That one is called quotient. Now for distribution of the property, he is considered just as he does not exist. He is considered just
as he does not exist.
As he does not exist. As I gave you the example of the wife of Abdurrahman ibn Auf, radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. You remember?
Yes.
Yes. The second case is if one of the inheritors will give something to another inheritor from the very beginning to leave his share for that giver, so then his share will go to the giver. Like Zainab died and she left behind husband and two brothers. Now one brother said to the husband that I will give you those 3 Kalashnikov which I have at home. What the Pashtuns will give? What they will give? Yes, because the Russia, they left that many. I had seen it at that time. All the tunnels were full of Kalashnikov, not opened yet. Hundreds of thousands of Kalashnikovs. That's why, if somebody asked me that this fight is going on in Afghanistan, so it means that they are supported from outside or whatever at the time of in past also and now, that how they fight, they are getting trained by the nearby countries and they have been supported by. I said that, look, you have to look into the history of a country. The history of that country is, number one, that they are tribals. They are or not?
Yes.
They are tribals. Number two, in the time of Zahir Shah, Askari was must for everyone. It was or not?
Yes.
Just ask the uncle.
22 years old.
Yes, that everybody has to have Askari in a training.
Compulsory.
A compulsory, therefore compulsory. So everybody was a soldier. Got it? That's why when jihad started, they started because everybody was well trained. Got it? At that time, yes, support was coming from all around, even here from and from the Western world and from all around the world. But later on, when the Shurabi, they left, so that many weapons, ya subhanallah, they left it there. And from the whole world, which was given to the Mujahideen at that time, so with every single rock, there was one Kalashnikov. How many rocks are there? Billions and trillions. Got it?
Yes.
Got it?
Got it.
And they said then the training stopped. I say yes. Now automatically training is going. Because necessity is the mother of invention. Yes. So that's why. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bring peace there.
Ameen.
But I would like to make it, oh Allah, bring peace to the whole world.
Ameen.
What is this? Not a human life. Yes, fighting, yes, constantly and continuous. All over the world there is bloodshed. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
For human, I am feeling very sorry. Because humans are getting killed. I'm not talking about Muslims. If a non-Muslim is getting killed for no reason, why? Is it okay?
No.
That is not. He is also the son and the grandson of someone or not?
Yes.
Yes. So what is happening to the parents? So anyhow, Now, the brother, he said to the husband of their sister, one of them, that I will give you this much money, leave your property to me. So now it was supposed to be divided. The real case was like this. Bismillah. The actual case would have been like this. That this is Zainab who died. Tariq John?
Yes.
So husband, HUS stand for husband. And bro. You know that. Yes. So that's what Iqlil is calling you, bro. So brother and brother. So now, when the woman does not have the kids or grandkids, so how much will go to the husband?
One half.
Huh?
One half.
Half. So now how much remain?
One half.
How much?
Half.
Half. One.
One.
Don't say half.
One.
One. But here the brothers are
Two.
two.
Two. One.
So the case was like this. That the property would be made 4 shares. 2, which is half. That will go to the husband, the remaining half would be distributed equally to the 2 brothers. But now, this brother said that I will give you that much money, leave your share to me. So his share, husband's share, it will come to him. So still, that will be 4 shares, but one brother will take 3 shares. Why? 1 his own and 2 of the brother-in-law. And the other brother, he will take 1. Number 3. If one of the heirs left his share to the others, by taking something from them to the proportion of their shares. Now they will distribute the estate to the proportion of their shares. Like Zainab died and left behind her husband, son and daughter. Now the son and daughter, they gave something to the extent of their share to the husband of their mom, who can be their own father or another husband. Got it?
Yes.
So now the property would be distributed to them is 2 to 1, because the actual position was like this. That here is husband, but the children are there. So how much the husband will take?
1/4.
1/4. How much remain?
3.
3.
2.
2 to 1. But they gave him $10,000. They take it, for example, and leave your share. And he said, okay, I left it. So now, and they give it to the extent of their share. That $10,000, 666 point some pennies. The son gave, and 333 point some penny the daughter gave. So now the actual case will be from 3. Means the property would be distributed as 3 shares. 2 will go to the son and 1 share will go to the daughter. وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين.